Uniwork 702XL ink cartridges for Epson printer replacement for Epson 702XL 702XL T702XL ink cartridges and Epson WF-3720 printer ink cartridges. Compatible with Epson Workforce Pro WF-3720 ink printer, WF-3730 ink printer, WF-3733 all-in-one printer. Page yield: 1100 pages per black 702XL T702 ink cartridges and 950 pages per color 702XL ink cartridges. Replacement for Epson 702 ink cartridges, letter A4, at 5% coverage. Package contents: 1702XL black ink cartridge, 1 Cyan 702XL ink cartridge, 1 Magenta 702XL ink cartridge, 1 yellow 702XL ink cartridge. Uniwork 702XL ink cartridges combo pack can produce brilliant colors and sharp black prints. Top reviews from the United States. A great value. The cartridges worked perfectly. Worth the money. The black cartridge was a bit of a challenge to get in. My printer initially didn't recognize the cartridge. Weirdly, I left the cartridge out for a few days because I was frustrated and someone else put it in for me and it worked. That's me rolling my eyes because someone else comes along and does the same thing and it works. Okay, off of my rant, it's a good item. Get it.